Alright, so this is a Hyundai Sonata 2011, and I'll show you how to do an oil change on this Hyundai Sonata. It's pretty much, you can see we jacked up the car. You can see the jack right there. I put the jack on the stand there, keep the car tilted, and you come here to the front and a little bit in here. Actually, this car here is very well set up. You can see the filter. Like they have a hole here for the filter right there, and they have a plastic. This is a plastic cover they have here. You see, covering the oil pan, and you can see it shows you right here where the filter goes right there. It's easy where to remove the filter, and there's another hole here. Show you here. Show you where the bolt, the oil pan bolt is right here, right behind the filter. So it's easy. You just open that bolt, release the oil, then come up here, remove the filter, and you're done with the oil change. You just we'll do it and see. We'll remove this filter, then we'll open that bolt right there, which is a 17mm bolt, drain the oil, and do the oil change. So let's see.